raise what's left of the flag for me. Then the rosary beads, count them 1, 2, 3, fell apart as they hit the floor. In a garb of black, we must pay respect to the colour we're born to mourn. Walk away, me boys, walk away, me boys. The morning we'll be free. Like the golden tear from your mother dear, there's a test of the flag for me.
Tell me what you thought about when you
Well, the season's on the run, but I'm going to walk away. And the boss is not there, but I know it's all late. And I see ahead, with the flares above the hills. Well, I know what you're doing next, what it is that happened to us.
Marilyn Manson. Sweet.
Falling too fast to prepare for this. Tripping in the world could be dangerous. Everybody circling as vultures. Negative, nepotist. Everybody waiting for the fall of man. Everybody praying for the end of times. Everybody hoping they could be the one. I was born to run, I was born for this.
Feel like a racehorse, pull me like a ripcord. Break me down and build me up, I wanna be the slip. Ready to rip. Break me down and build me up, whatever it takes. Cause I love the adrenaline in my veins. I do whatever it takes. Cause I love how it feels when I break the chains. Whatever it takes. Yeah, take me to the top, I'm ready for whatever it takes. Cause I love the adrenaline in my veins.
So do all it takes. Look at my body feeling miserable. Everything I know, the visual.